Hey everyone, welcome back to Skin and Health, your go-to place for natural beauty and wellness tips. If you're tired of stubborn dark spots or uneven skin tone, today's video is for you. I'll be sharing 7 powerful natural remedies for dark spots and hyperpigmentation, straight from your kitchen and nature. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a secret tip on how to prevent these spots from coming back. First on the list is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains aloe, a natural depigmenting compound that helps lighten hyperpigmentation. It also soothes the skin and speeds up healing. How to use: scoop fresh aloe vera gel. Apply directly on dark spots before bed. Wash off in the morning. With daily use, you'll notice your skin tone becoming more even and glowing. Next, turmeric and honey. Turmeric has curcumin, which reduces melanin production, while honey moisturizes and repairs skin. How to use: mix 1 teaspoon turmeric plus 1 teaspoon honey. Apply it as a mask for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. This combo not only fades dark spots but also adds a natural glow. Lemon juice is well known for its vitamin C content. It brightens skin and reduces pigmentation, but be careful. How to use safely: dilute lemon juice with water or honey. Apply only on dark spots, not the whole face. Avoid sun exposure immediately after. If you have sensitive skin, skip this remedy and use orange peel powder instead. Number 4. Apple cider vinegar. It contains acetic acid, which helps lighten pigmentation. How to use: mix equal parts ACV and water. Dab gently on dark spots with cotton. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse. Do this 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Green tea isn't just for drinking, it can also fade dark spots when applied topically. Its antioxidants fight free radicals and repair damaged skin. How to use: brew green tea, let it cool. Dip cotton balls and apply to affected areas. Repeat daily. It's gentle and safe for all skin types. Potatoes contain natural bleaching agents and enzymes that reduce pigmentation. How to use: grate raw potato and squeeze out juice. Apply with cotton on dark spots. Leave for 20 minutes, then rinse. This simple remedy can make skin appear brighter over time. Last but not least, papaya. It contains papain, an enzyme that exfoliates dead skin cells and fades dark patches. How to use: mash ripe papaya into a smooth paste. Apply a face mask for 15 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Regular use will leave your skin refreshed and even-toned. Now here's the bonus tip I promised. Prevention. Dark spots usually worsen with sun exposure, so always use sunscreen, yes, even when you're indoors. Also, stay hydrated and eat antioxidant-rich foods to heal your skin from within. So, those were 7 natural remedies for dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Skin and Health, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly uploads. And remember, clear, glowing skin starts with consistent care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.